This is a tutorial for Moonlight in Vermont. This time as a piano accompanist, so you do not need to play the melody. You play the chord in your right hand, the left hand plays the root note down low, and somebody sings on top of it. So the chord, you start on an E flat chord here. You could do that B flat, E flat, and G. The pennies in E flat major seventh would be this B flat, D, G. Pennies in the stream. F minor seventh is F, A flat, C, E flat, G. There's an E chord, E, G sharp, B. There's an E flat chord, G, B flat, E flat. Falling leaves, C minor, G, C, E flat. A sycamore, there's a D flat, A flat, C, D flat, F, it's actually D flat 9 there. Sycamore. Moonlight, F minor 7th, F, A flat, C, E flat. Moonlight in B7, F, B flat, F, A flat, B flat, D. Vermont, G, excuse me, E flat again. G, B flat, E flat. E flat again up here. B flat, E flat, G. I see fingers at C minor, C, E flat, G. Finger waves, F minor 7th, F, A flat, C, E flat. E, G sharp, B. Right down to E flat there, E flat, G, B flat, or go like that. Ski trails on is a C minor, G, C, E flat. On a mountainside, there's that D flat 9, A flat, B, D flat, F. Mountainside, F minor, F, A, C. 7th is snow light, in is B7, F, B, A flat, B flat, D, Vermont, E flat, G, E flat, E flat. There's an A minor 7th, which is E, G, A, C, telegraph cables. A minor is 7th is E, G, A, C. D7 is D, F sharp, A, C. Cables they sing, that's a G major 7th. D, F sharp, G, B. Sing down the highway, there's a G6, G, B, D. E and travel, A minor 7th. G, A, C, E. There's an A flat. Let's see, that's A flat is A flat, C, E flat in the road. G major 7th is on road, that's G, B, D, F sharp. Then you got a B flat minor, which is F, A flat, B flat, D. People who meet, there's an E flat 7, G, B flat, D flat, E flat. In this romantic, that's A flat, major 7th, G, A flat, C, E flat. Romantic setting, there's an A flat 6, A flat, C, E flat, and F. So is that B minor, F, B, A flat, B flat, D flat. So hypnotized, there's a E7, G, E flat, D flat, E flat. By the light flat, A flat, B, C, E flat. Lovely. There's a B7, F, A flat, B flat, D. Evening. That's an E flat, G, E flat, G, B flat, E flat. Evening, summer. That's it. E flat major 7, G, B flat, D. Summer breeze, F minor 7, F, A flat, C, E flat, E, E, G sharp, B, E flat, G, B flat, warbling love, C minor, G, C, E flat, the meadow lark, D flat, 9 was A flat, C, D flat, F, Moonlight, F minor 7th, in B flat 7, Vermont, E flat, you and I, and that's an F chord, F, A, C, Moonlight in, that's an E chord, E, G sharp, B, Vermont, there's an E flat chord, G, B flat, E flat, or you can make it into a 7th there. So some kind of complicated chords, but hopefully you are more of an intermediate student. Practice it hands alone. Then all you got to do is add your root note down low. So when you're playing an E flat, pennies in the stream, F minor, you got an F there. E, you got an E there. E flat, you got an E flat down low. So it's always the root note to give you the bottom to it. And this is what it sounds like when you're all done. Pennies in the stream, falling leaves and sycamores, moonlight in Vermont, icy finger waves, ski trails on a mountainside, moonlight in by the love.